Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will make a tutorial that is Vlan Trunking because the previous video is the time too much for the Vlan Trunking. So the Vlan Trunking is we have this two topology of this one, and then we just plug into the same topology as this one, like this example. This is we just already copy paste the previous topology. This one we already copy paste, and then the IP I already I already changed the IP into the 4 and 5. This one uh, at the second switch uh, there are two IP. There is 1.4 until 5. This one 1.4. This one is 1.5. And then these things is 2.4 and 2.5. You can change it at the IP configuration. This one into the 4, change it to 4, and this one change it to 5. Okay, and then we will make a VLAN trunking. It's so simple actually. VLAN trunking, it's very simple because it just plug the other switch to switch. Okay, only like that. Okay, for the configuration, it's very simple. We need only one configuration actually. That is switch mode switch mode trunk. Okay, we already connect to the same device. There is switch. The cable will be like this one. There is the space of the cables like this one. Space of cable like this. And then after that, we just go to the interface at the interface that is fast Ethernet 0/5. Yes, because there is we already make the same interface. If you can see this one, we already make the same interface, and then we will config at the second router that we already copy paste. Wait, this one. Okay, so this is the CLI, or this one is the Cisco IS combined interface. If the Cisco name, the tutorial is same. It's pretty easy to config. That is, we must go to the interface that we already connect a switch to switch, that is fast Ethernet 5, and then we just do switch or SW mode trunk, this one. So it's already linked. No, it's not already linked because the at the first root at the first root, root, root at the first switch we didn't configure it. So the first thing that this interface, oh yeah, wait, okay, at the first thing that is switch 3. Okay, this one. Okay, we'll do config that is interface by ethernet 0/5 is switch mode trunk, like this one. So it's already linked to the switch, another switch. Okay, and then we will do the verification if the switch already configured or already running. We just ping PC to PC, but in different area. Yes, different area. You know, wait. Oh no, like this one, the same area, yeah, at the same area. It can ping at the same area, so it's already connect to the others. And then we'll test first. Okay, wait. Oh yeah, the first thing, go to the switch. 3.1. Switch 3.1. This one. Uh, wait. I will check first. Oh yeah. Okay, so maybe that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh for this tutorial. Bye. So this one is connecting to the same VLAN but different switch, but different switch. Yeah, I forget about that. Sorry. We will testing first. Okay, so it can only ping to the same switch but different router, but to the same VLAN but different switch. Okay, we use it.